Today I'm going to see if it's quicker to defrost peas in a microwave or in your mouth. I mean, this is really for people who can't afford microwaves. And if you live in a small house and you're thinking of getting rid of your kitchen, this is something you could try to see if it's worth keeping your kitchen in the first place. 2 equal sets of peas. And I'm going to give plate 1 1 minute in the microwave and plate 2 1 minute in the mouth, or should I say mouth-crowave. Oh! 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 Kongo! Pang! Well, I think I can prove conclusively that it's wise and useful to have a microwave rather than your mouth. But I do feel quite refreshed. These are more mushy peas, I think. These are actually defrosted. And there was quite a lot of lost peas as well. The moral of the story is, always use a microwave to prepare food in rather than your mouth.